Welcome to a once-in-a-generation opportunity. The chance for you to possess some of the finest waterfowl hunting property in Virginia. To own rich, productive farmland, once actively managed by George Washington for his adopted children. And excellent habitat for ducks, bass, and wildlife of all forms. Welcome to Runion Farm. 574 deeded acres along the southern banks of the Pamunkey River. Conveniently located halfway between Richmond and Williamsburg, and 20 minutes from the nearest airport. Runion Farm is easy to get to via Interstate 64. Nearby towns of West Point and Providence Forge offer restaurants and shopping. And of course, the land itself is surrounded by pristine duck habitat. In addition to the natural features, extensive improvements include grain bins, large barns, 98 acres of timber ready for harvesting, and a center pivot irrigation system. Conservation easements worth millions of dollars in tax deductions and credits add to the value of this unique property. As part of the renowned White House Plantation, this is your opportunity to be in the heart of world-class hunting as you take your place in history. Of course, the property includes spectacular home sites, plus an existing 6,000 square foot residence, dock, and boat ramp. The perfect setting for family water sports, fishing and kayaking, or simply enjoying the spectacular scenery. George Washington farmed this land beginning in 1759. During the Civil War, the property was owned by the son of General Robert E. Lee. Its historic location, directly across from the Pamunkey Indian Reservation's 600 acres of virgin swampland, has made this a prized tract of land for generations. Today, the property has the potential, with improved habitat management, to attract vast numbers of the migratory ducks and geese that call this area home on an annual basis. Add in abundant deer and turkey habitat, and it's easy to see the potential to create a productive wildlife and recreational retreat available to family, friends, clients, or to the public. Priced under $4 million, this property offers you a once-in-a-generation opportunity to manage a historic farm and wildlife sanctuary for your own pleasure and satisfaction. Contact Commonwealth Land today to discover how you can become the owner of one of the premier duck hunting properties in Virginia.